Thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, northern Daviess County, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of Washington, or 19 miles northeast of Vincennes, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The storm produced half-dollar-size hail as it passed through Oaktown. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Odin, Elnora, Plainville, Edwardsport, and West Boggs Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Daviess and Knox. And now a look at your forecast for the Vincennes area.